Alright, secret DIY here. And still on this Fan Dabby Dozy episode, and we've got my brother Mike, who's basically just gone and bought this lovely house, and we're basically just moving this wall in. So with that said, let's get cracked on. Alright, so this is my brother Mike. Say hello, Mike.
Hello, alright.
Right, so what we're going to be doing is he's going to go through it all now, basically what we're doing, what he wants doing. So fire away, how far do you want to go in then?
So basically, this is 1.2 metres, so we're going to go in 80 centimetres. So which is
800, you mean?
800 mil.
Yeah, 800 mil. So we're
Yeah, 80 centimetres.
Yeah, sorry, 80 centimetres.
Yeah, which is obviously the main reason for that is so we don't have to move this plug socket.
And then we also as well, so that's a plug socket we've got to get round, make sure we keep, he wants keeping in, and then we've got this here to negotiate around, so we'll have to get rid of all that. So there's quite a few little surprises really. And also, as we come round here,
the dimmer switch.
Yeah, they've got the dimmer switch, but we've got this down here as well. And basically what's happened here, that has basically gone up to the tiles have gone up to the skirting board there, as you can see. So that's another thing that we've got to get round. I'll show you what I mean now. Yeah, so basically we've just got matching up to the skirting board there, which is making a bit of a nightmare. So I'll show you that now anyway. So basically, there we go, gone straight up to the skirting board there. So we're gonna have to try to get that out. So with that said, I'll start getting cracked on with that. Happy days. So what we're going to be doing here now is we're going to be, sorry to put you off there, Mike. We're going to go in 800. So 800's there. And all I'm going to do is do a massive line going down from the spirit level to make sure it's all leveled off. And nice all the way down there. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to measure from here all the way across. Going all the way across down there, which you'll see in a minute, and it's going to be exactly the same. I'm just going to go 800, so I'll get cracked on with that. Just 1 second.
No, he's just saying that we were going to put an outside light on, but instead I just got a battery operated because it was easier to install. And the bacon and cheese.
Yeah.
Decent to be fair. I don't know, you get Matthew's bread, that'd be one happy, right?
Yeah. So what I'm going to be doing here now is I'm going to be scoring all this down with a Stanley knife. I'm going to go across here with the Stanley knife and all the way down here. And I think I'm going to multi-tool it, try and get a straight edge. It's all sorted now. So let's start getting that done, and then we'll move on to the next bit. Yeah, 1.5, because then you've got your wooden beam here.
That'd be first time.
So, alright. He's calling the wife.
We're just messing here, and then I can go and pencil it up where we're
She's got her heart set on the 800, just don't get 800. At the end of the day, we'll just hammer this out here, and then we'll just unscrew it, hopefully it'll be screwed, and then we can just put that there.
Alright.
And we'll just shot that there.
Okay.
We'll just do that.
Okay. We're going to do it.
Alright.
Alright, love you.
Stage I'm at now. Basically I've got this hanging out right down here. Oh, flipping heck, that hanging off that there, like so. And then I've got this here, up here, going across, so I'm going to have to put some trusses going across here, a few going across there, which I'll show you how to do. And then I've got some of these into be able to fix into, so that's nothing to pitch, some plasterboard up there. So I'll have to patch this bit in here. And then I've got to get round this, so I'm going to have to screw this together, this up, which I'll show you in a minute. And then I'm going to put some noggins in here, but I'm going to have to cut all this bit out here, round here, for it to slot in, but you'll see that in a minute. And then, yeah, just put all the things down here, all the noggins in here, but we're going to have to move this wire, we're going to have to put it going down here, so while this is out, moving and flapping all over the place, I'll get that sorted. So let's get cracked on. So basically this is where we're at. You've just seen me cutting everything up ready. So I've ended up, I've got this here, and I've ended up notching around this out here, notching around there. So this can go in like that, like so. And that's for the plywood that was in. The plywood was in there ready for the TV to go up. So what I've gone and done is I've gone and notched that out like that. So that goes around there. Put all these bits in, these are ready. And I've got one down there, but I have to screw in down there at the bottom, stop that from wiggling all over the place. And then I've got some plasterboard cut, ready to go up there. I've also up there as well stitched some wood in, just with a bit of screws, bit of bigger thing, screws that side, screw that side, wood bigger than the other bit. And I've gone and marked these bits as well up here, so I know exactly where I'm obviously screwing. So, well, that said, I'm just waiting for our Mike now to obviously get a move on, hey Mike? And get his, do his magic with the electrics. And then, yeah, we can start putting this together and then get this job finished. So, see you in a sec. So for all you eagle-eyed people in the comments, yes, this is not a box that goes into the plasterboard, but that's what was in before, so we're just going to shot it back in, make do. So all I've got to do is put some wood behind here, and then I'm just going to, well, my brother's going to feed the wires through, we're just going to stick it through there, then we're going to hammer it back home there, and then screw into there, so the wood's there at the back. That's what I've been doing. So we'll get on with that. Once he's done that, then I can start putting all this back together and get this ready for plastering. So let's get doing that. So a little pro tip for you, as you're putting these in here, which I'm doing now, just get through there, Mike. Mike. Yeah. I've put a screw in here and I've put a screw down there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to knock it in. Then is that doesn't move all over the place, so screw that up there, okay, that won't move, and when you stitch in here and they're obviously ready to stitch everything together. Nothing moves and everything's in situ exactly where you want it. So let's get cracked on with that. So here I am, just plastering everything, sorting everything out. Now you've seen me do this millions of times. So here's a little bit of an insight of how it went and what I was doing. And I'm just going to get straight to the grand reveal. Right, let's do that.
All this?
Yeah, please. Yeah. So that's it, all done. Just so you turn around and leave you like this. I hope you like what I'm doing and all that good stuff. But my son turned around and basically said to me, he said you should ask and turn around and see if what other people want to see and what people would like to see and all that good stuff. So if you want to see something or you've got any questions or anything like that, please put down in the comments down below and I might be able to do a video for you. Because at the end of the day, ultimately, subscribers and watchers of my channel are the main people, and you are the ones who keep the channel going. Because I am nearly at 1,000 subscribers now, and I'm trying to get my watch hours up. So if there's anything you can think of or anything like that, please let us know. Anyway, if you've got to this part, thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.